Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to hide your Google Drive folder. Now, if you want to hide a folder in Google Drive, the first thing to understand is that Google Drive doesn't have a specific hide button. However, there are a few ways to make a folder less visible and private. The easiest and the most secure method is to adjust the folder's sharing settings, and to do that, start by selecting the folder you want to hide. And before you do that, you have to access your Google Drive account by going to drive.google.com and entering your account's credentials. Now, after logging in, select the file you want to, to hide. Right, I'm gonna choose this picture as an example, and access the sharing settings and click on share. A pop-up will appear with sharing settings. Here you can modify who can view or edit the folder. By default, it might be set to anyone with the link or anyone at your organization if you're using Google Workspace. To ensure that only you can access the folder, change the settings to restricted, which means only it can be this one right here, anyone with the link. You're gonna have to change this to restricted right here to ensure that, which means only specific people you invite will be able to view it. This keeps it hidden from everyone else. Another option to consider is moving the folder to another location with your Google Drive. For instance, you could move it into a less noticeable folder, like a folder named something generic, making it harder for others to stumble upon. You can do that by clicking on New right here and create a new folder and name it something generic. Something generic. Right here. And click on it and create it. After that, let's refresh. Now let's drag the picture and copy it there. However, be aware that if others have access to your Google Drive or know the folder's location, this might not fully protect your content. To ensure maximum privacy, be cautious about sharing any folder or files that you don't want others to see. And that's it. That's how you hide a Google Drive folder or file. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.